first step, you're gonna grab your phone and then you're gonna go on and open up Google Play Store. Step number 2, you're gonna download this app for completely free. And step number 3, you just made a lot of money just from that. I know you guys are so excited. So check out. What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money making videos every single day, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit that notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up so you can be the first to know and try it out. You don't have to sell, you don't have to create any videos, you don't need to do any referrals, no websites, no hard setup. It's super fast, super easy. The whole process is only going to take you about 5 minutes. It doesn't matter where you're from because it caters to absolutely anywhere in the world. All you need is a mobile phone and you can start making about $300 right now. Now, there are some mistakes that you could be making. So if you don't want to make those mistakes, then I'm going to show you how you're going to avoid them. And let's jump right into it. So our first website or first app that you can make a lot of money from right now is called Foap, and basically it's an app that has a huge library of millions of different high quality, high resolution photos, and there are 2 groups of people on this website. First one is that there are people who buy different photos daily, and of course the second type of people who are those who sell photos, and that's exactly how we're going to be making money with this website. Now, don't worry, you're not going to have to take any of your own photos. I'm going to be showing you several websites that are going to provide you with photos for completely free and high quality, high resolution photos. So you guys are going to absolutely love it. Now, right here when you're on the homepage of Foap, I want you to go and click on this button that says sell your content, and that's going to take you to here where you can say time to make extra money with your videos and your photos. Now you can download the phone app on either your iOS or your Android device, whatever you have, and then literally just like that you download it and it's completely free, and just like that it's already on your mobile phone. Now comment down below where you're from and what devices you use, and also tell me if you're an Android or an iOS user. All of this information really helps me figure out what to do for my future videos, and since these videos are for you guys, that's why I want to make sure I get as much output from you as possible. Now let's keep going. So really quickly, I do want to show you the whole library on this website. As you can see, there's a lot of high quality, high resolution photos that people are selling on this website. People are making a lot of money already from this website, and the best thing about this is that they let you earn passively. So you can upload this photo today, and next week, next month, or even 5 years from now, you could still be making money from that photo, and it doesn't really matter. So it's amazing because you could be making money automatically. Now, it's gonna be alive for years and you literally have no problem with that, and there are so many visitors on this app, on this website, so you are never gonna be losing a chance to earn some money, right? So for example, this is one of the photos that people are selling, and you can see how much it costs as well. And here's another example of a photo that someone is selling with the cost as well. Now you're probably thinking, how much money could you actually make? So you're gonna take a look at this, and basically you can upload your videos and your photos and you can earn cash, and basically they're gonna have to profit with you 50-50. So 50 goes to your account and 50 goes to the website. And the reason for this is because since they are the one gonna be promoting, gonna be selling your photos, it's basically their commission as well, and that's how you're making money, which is still big, right? You're not losing much. Since they do get a lot of visitors, then it's kind of a win for you because you're able to sell your photos on an app that has like really good traffic. So for sure, you're gonna earn money. Now, and so that's just really how this website works, and that's just how they pay you. It's pretty simple, and I don't think you're at a losing end. I think you're pretty much winning even, because you don't even have to do all the manual work for yourself anymore. So you're pretty much good on that end. Now, If you guys are having fun with today's video, then make sure you leave us some love by liking and subscribing and by commenting down below what your favorite has been so far. You can also hit that bell so that every time we have a new video up, you're going to be notified and you can always be the first to know about the best news only from Money Shark. So let's continue. Now I want to show you something very interesting on this website, and other than selling the photos, you can actually join different missions or tasks. As you can see on here, this mission right here is going to reward you this amount of money, and this one over here will reward you this amount of money, and every single week there's a lot of new missions that you can actually participate in and have the chance to win a lot of money from. Now they give you the theme, they give you the instructions, they give you how much time you have left and also the cost, so you know what you're getting yourself into. So it's amazing, right? You not only have the chance to sell your photos on here, but you can also win different challenges, which is amazing because that just gives you more opportunity to earn. So now we're gonna see, and I'm gonna show you, okay, a couple of websites where you can find pictures for free that you can actually use to sell on Foap. But before that, I want to show you first Shutterstock. And basically, this website, again, is super familiar. I'm sure everybody knows what it is, but basically it's similar as Foap. The thing is that they do also have a huge library of different high quality and high resolution photos. And daily, also, people come here to buy different photos. So once again, you're going to be able to upload some photos and start earning money from this website as well. It works the same as Foap. So now you have times 2 opportunities to earn money from passively, which is obviously amazing. You can upload the same photos on Shutterstock and on Foap, and you could be earning different amounts at the same time. So that's absolutely amazing. And so now we're gonna get into the websites that are completely free, and that's gonna give you free photos. Okay, this website, let's check this out. It's burst.shopify.com. You're gonna find different high quality and high resolution photos from here that you can download for free, and then you can just upload on Shutterstock and on Foap for completely free as well, which is absolutely amazing because you don't even have to take any of your own photos. And a lot of people are going to buy these photos because these are really professional photos. That's exactly what people from Shutterstock and what people from Foap are looking for. And they're high resolution, okay? And then we also have another alternative, which is picwizard.com. And again, picwizard.com. And again, this website, high quality, free stock photos. Again, there's about 1 million actually photos on this website, so you can sell 1 million photos if you could and if you wanted to. So it's amazing as well. So make sure that you try all of those websites that I just mentioned. You're gonna upload photos that you're gonna download from Shopify, from PicWizard, and a lot more. You're gonna download photos from these websites, and then you're gonna go on to Foap, you're gonna go into Shutterstock, you're gonna upload there, sell your photos, and you're gonna be making money even 10 years from now. It doesn't even matter. And that is pretty much everything. If there's nothing else, then thank you guys again for watching today's video. We're so close to 60,000 subscribers, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you did. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.